Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
One of the largest broods of periodical cicadas in the nation, Brood X will emerge this spring in 15 states: Delaware, Georgia, Illinois, Indiana, Kentucky, Maryland, Michigan, North Carolina, New Jersey, New York, Ohio, Pennsylvania, Tennessee, Virginia, West Virginia, as well as Washington, D.C.
Make your mark, take our lead.
The biggest difference between cicadas and locusts is probably that, while they do emerge in very large numbers when they hatch, cicadas do not swarm as locusts do. Cicadas also do not decimate and consume crops in the same way as locusts.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.